Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a Kia emblem. First, gather your tools: a heat gun or hairdryer, plastic pry tools, and an adhesive remover. Next, clean the area around the old emblem thoroughly to ensure the new one adheres properly. Finally, protect the surrounding paint with painter's tape to avoid any accidental scratches or damage during the removal process. Now, let's remove the old emblem. Apply heat evenly to the emblem for about 1 minute using your heat gun or hairdryer. This softens the adhesive, making removal much easier. Carefully insert a plastic pry tool under an edge of the emblem and gently work your way around until it lifts off. After removal, use an automotive adhesive remover to clean any sticky residue from your vehicle's surface. With the old emblem gone and the surface clean, it's time for the new one. First, ensure the area is completely dry and free of any dust or oils for optimal adhesion. Carefully align your new Kia emblem, making sure it's perfectly straight before pressing it down. Apply firm, even pressure across the entire emblem for at least 30 seconds to secure it properly. This helps the adhesive bond strongly. To ensure your new emblem lasts, avoid washing your car for 24 to 48 hours, allowing the adhesive to fully cure. Periodically check the emblem's adhesion to make sure it remains securely in place, especially after extreme weather. And hey, while you're sprucing up your ride, life's too short for a stinky car. Check the description for a link to grab some little trees, black ice, and other great deals to keep your car fresh. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.